guys, welcome back. If you're new, my name is Shalom Blac. So from the title of this video, we are going to try, we are going to be attempting recreating Megan Thee Stallion hair and outfit that she wore after the WAP video came out with Cardi B. I absolutely fell in love with this purple hair and purple outfit that she had on, and I was just like, oh my god, I just have to recreate it. Well, try to recreate it, because I don't think I could finesse this hairstyle the way that her hairstylist did. This is like freaking amazing. And if you guys can peep my energy already, I am sick. I'm gonna try not to talk a lot. I might do a voiceover, so maybe, you know, the day after, maybe tomorrow, my voice is going to just feel a little better. So for most of this, I am going to do voiceover. I'm so sorry. I'm just drinking kombucha. I don't know, I feel like when I drink it, it kind of like soothes my throat slightly. So yeah, anyway, let's get into this video. So I actually received a wig. This is a full lace wig that I got from Marble Luxe Beauty, so shout out to them for sending me this wig. Okay, so let's go ahead and start this voiceover. I'm feeling a little better today, but anyway, so I'm using the wig that I got from Marble Luxe Beauty, and basically what I'm going to be doing today is taking out that little extra sewing that they always add to the back of the wig. I find that that makes it very difficult for me to glue down the back of my wig because of that. So I pretty much want it to be completely just lace. So all of that I'm going to be taking out, and this took about an hour and a half to do because I was trying to be very careful not to cut the lace, which I actually ended up doing, but just slightly. It wasn't that bad. And as you guys can see now, that whole entire thing, I'm going to take it out. I find that that makes it the back of your wig look more natural. So if you do want it to look more natural, you want to do this step and then go in and tweeze and customize the back of your wig, which is one thing I didn't do. So it was still kind of looking a little wanky, but it was better than my other wigs that I tried to put up in a high ponytail. So the color that I'm going to be using today is from Attic Fox, and this is Purple Rain. I don't know, from the look of the dye, I just thought it looks close to what Megan had. So I went ahead and did the water method, child. And I tested it out to see what the color would look like. I liked it, so I'm sorry, I'm tripping. I just went ahead and dumped the entire wig in the water and make sure I was, you know, moving it around so that all the entire wig can get the dye. I repeated this step with clean water about 3 times. I do think I got the color kind of right, but you could kind of see the different shades in there. So I'm actually going to be taking this Kiss color in honey brown, and I'm just gonna pour that into a bowl. After I open it, of course, Shalom, just dab it in there, and I'm just gonna start putting that inside the lace, and I'm just gonna set it aside for it to sort of dry. While that is drying, I just went ahead and started applying the Got2b glue all over my head. Now, a lot of you guys have been asking me if this irritates my scalp, and it honestly doesn't do anything, hence the reason why I like to use it. And it's super easy for me to take it right off. I just get in the shower and it melts off. So I applied the Got2b blast spray, and that also makes it much more taggier, so it's going to really hold the wig in place. So now I am applying my wig. Oh my god, I hope you guys can hear me because I feel like my voice right now is just so low. But I just apply my wig like I normally do. If you guys haven't seen some of my other hair videos, I'm gonna try to link a few in the description bar down below for those of you guys that enjoy watching this kind of videos. So I went back in with the Got To Be glue and the spray just to make sure the edges are well intact. And I pretty much went in with the blow dryer and dried it. I guess I didn't show you guys that part. So now I'm going to be cutting off the lace. Again, if you guys do want to see a more detailed video, it will be in the description bar down below. But I normally cut my lace before I glue it down. But for some reason, I'm actually liking this method of me gluing it first, then cut it, because it makes it so much easier to sort of, you know, sculpt the lace to my liking or my hairline. I know you cannot see a hairline on my head, but I can imagine it. Okay. Sorry. Oh my god.
Is motivated by more than taxes.
We are finally getting into the actual hairstyling. So I'm Jesus Christ, I can't speak. I'm looking at Megan's photo to just kind of get a reference on how I should part the hair. As you guys can see, I kept looking down because this was actually pretty hard for me because I've never ever did like a side bang situation. I don't think I ever did. Well, I've never been quite like trying to get it right on spot because I just feel like I don't look good with side bangs, so I never tried it. But anyway, so I went ahead and just put some mousse on the hair just so all the flyaways can lay down, and then I'm taking a hot comb to basically flatten the bangs because it was looking a little bulky, honey. And this is me trying to figure out how I want it to be. And now we're just gonna go ahead and put this hair on a ponytail, which also took forever to do because my hands just kept getting super weak. But anyway, moving forward, by the way, the hair is not on a ponytail yet. I just decided to tie it and try to do something else, which was the baby hair. So I saw that Megan had like little swoop of baby hair in the front, so I basically tried to redo that. And now we are finally putting the hair in a ponytail. And I think my camera died when I was putting it in a ponytail, so you guys didn't actually see me tie it up. But I just took a scrunchie and tied it up. But before I did that, I went back with mousse and I make sure, you know, I got that to be flattened. And then I went in with Hairspray. And this is actually super nice. This is my first time using it. It's from Aussie. I think that's how you say the name. And it really did its thing. I can't speak. It did it. It did its thing. What? Okay, yeah, I give up. Anyway, it did what it had to do, okay? And so now we are doing the bang, not the bang, the bang. Oh. I'm not exactly sure where the rest of this hair of the bangs was supposed to go. Like, was I supposed to tie it up with the ponytail? I felt like if I would have done that, it would have messed the front of it. So I just push it to the back, and you guys are gonna see what I do next. So now I'm pulling, you know, that little piece of hair that she had in the front, and I'm pulling it from the ponytail, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pin it up. I'm just gonna pin it to secure it in place. And then I decided to take a bun. When I was watching other people's video recreate this, they just added more hair to the wig. Now I didn't have more hair to add, and I also didn't want to have to like dye more hair, so I just decided why not try to do a bun, and all the little curls to make the bun that Megan had, I would just have it on the bun because that's going to elevate it to look much more bigger, because I know if I did it without the bun, it wasn't gonna look nice. I then rolled up the rest of the hair from the bangs underneath the bun. Ooh, bless me. And now we're just gonna go ahead and brush the ponytail because we're gonna start curling it. So guys, normally when I do recreation, I basically test it out before I sit in front of the camera to actually film the video. But this time I did not. I just like sat in front and decided we're just gonna roll with the ball. Whatever happens, happens. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and curled the hair with a wand. Now everybody was using flat iron or curling iron, but I do not know how to use those things to curl my hair. I can only use flat iron for flattening hair, and I just do not buy curling irons because I don't know how to use it. So I just decided to one curled the hair, and then I'm just kind of rolling it up and shaping it and then putting a pin on it. As you guys can see right now, I'm just sort of like deciding on what I need to do to make sure I can completely cover the bun so you cannot see it. And I thought to myself, only if I had like purple hair dye but a spray, I could just spray the bun so it wouldn't look obvious. But I think I did my best and finessed it so you guys couldn't see it. You might be able to see it from the back, but from the front I think we did a pretty good job. And I also sprayed the heck out of this hair. I wanted it to stay in place, so there's going to be a lot of hairspray. But that's sort of pretty much it. I'm just gonna shut up right now so you guys can see me struggling. I just hope that when I put the outfit on, it's not going to unravel. All this work I did, it's not gonna unravel. Okay. I really hope that Megan sees this video or the pictures that I'm gonna post on Instagram. I hope I do it justice. I really hope I do it justice. Here longer and I need a break. So I'm not playing with you, not at all. I need you to stay with me. Okay, so I think I'm kind of done with the bun. It looks kind of good. Okay, it looks better. I'm gonna spray the fuck out of it now. I finally got some new tools. All the tools that you guys saw me use today is from T3. And by the way, this is not sponsored. They literally just like gifted it to me. But I actually really like it. This is my first time using it. And so far so good. You guys saw I used a curling wand. And so it's been really nice. And the blow dryer. Not only does it work really nice, it looks so cute. It's just a little white and then it has like the rose gold detail on it. So like simple and cute. I really like it. Ooh. I'm gonna cry right now. Ooh, Jesus. By the way, this dress I actually made it with the help of my friend. She kind of like guided me on how to cut the fabric. I'm gonna show you guys the back. Now I haven't even seen the back yet, but let me just say this. Doing the back of your head like a wig by yourself is so hard. So just ignore the fact that you can see the bun in the back and maybe, you know, the rest of the hair is not super laid. Because I know a lot of the times when I do stuff like this, people are like, let's see the back. So today I'm gonna show you the back. If you can get somebody to help you with the back of your lace wig, then that would be great. But yeah, if you can, maybe it's just for pictures. So here goes nothing. I don't know what it looks like. What does it look like? I don't know. Please do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Bye, and remember to always be your own kind of beautiful.
Oh wow, it looks exactly the same.
Isn't it? And it's just like,
Sit up a little bit.
like that.
Mm-hmm. Actually, no, it's a little bit tilted this way. Okay. Turn a little bit.
Wait, this way?
Yeah. Just your face. I mean, your head. Her face is a little tilted, but she's looking at the camera.
Okay. It's like this.
But move your head. The fuck? Like, you're a little bit side profile, just a little bit, but you're still looking at me.
Okay, so.
My nose is
Degrees, I
not
left that jacket in my
Bill,
closet.
I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup.